Costa Rica is such an amazing country, and if you're asking me if it's safe, I believe that it's safe. You can Uber around everywhere. Yesterday was such a long journey. We took a 2-hour car ride up into the mountains. I got the chance to experience a beautiful waterfall, not to mention, I even got a chance to swim in it. And if you haven't already, add Costa Rica to your bucket list. I promise you, you will not regret it. We got a chance to enjoy the hot springs, applied clay all over our body, and bathe in the natural river. It was definitely an experience for the ages. Puro vida, hoy excelente día. Mi nombre Rockstarjoehang, pero puedes llamarme Rockstar para abreviar. Es mi tercer día en Costa Rica y he aprendido mucho. You know you love it. If you guys haven't already, add Costa Rica to your bucket list. What a beautiful country. If you're asking me, it's safe. I believe it's safe. I haven't felt any vibe that would tell me otherwise. Yesterday, took a nice little ride up to the mountains. Guachipalin, I think that's what it's called. Saw my first waterfall, swam in that little waterfall pool. Did my first clay bath and hot spring. What a freaking amazing experience. And gotta definitely add Costa Rica to that bucket list. And I want to thank each and every one of you who subscribe. It means a lot to me. More videos coming. I'm gonna document every day. I'm shooting on the Sony ZV-E1 20mm. I also brought my Nikon 50mm 1.2 with me in this trip. Thank you guys. Puro vida.